Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. In this video I have some unboxing and first impression. I bought a few fragrances for the last couple of months, and I thought I'll do a video when I'm unboxing them and give you the first impressions. These are random, they are all sorts, freshies, basically gourmand, leathery base, blah blah blah. Okay, so they're not in particular genre, and let's see what happened. Once again, thank you very much for watching, thank you very much for supporting me, and without any further ado, let's go forward. Thank you very much. I'm having my coffee. Okay, so the first one is going to be Black Soul by Ted Lapidus. Black Soul by Ted Lapidus. This is a tin box it comes with. Very nice presentation, and the bottle itself is gorgeous, as you can see. Black and chrome effect, very beautiful. This is very inexpensive, and every time I open a Ted Lapidus and Jack Bogart's, I'm amazed how do they do it for such a price. I don't know. Anyway, so let's get these. Yeah, so it says Black Soul by Ted Lapidus. It's got this black soul on top. Very beautiful presentation. Okay, let's go with the atomizer. Okay, the atomizer is very good, and let's see the smell. So, Black Soul by Ted Lapidus. Wow, beautiful, gorgeous. So basically it's a spicy, yeah? Spicy, it's got that DNA of Ted Lapidus inside. Peppery, woody, but overall is beautiful. So as we know, Ted Lapidus and Jack Bogart, they make unbelievable strong fragrances, and this is no exception. It's very strong. Oh goodness me, very beautiful, but a little bit on the mature side, okay, but overall it's gorgeous. Okay, let's go to the next one. I don't want this video to be very long, so first thing first, that was very good. Let's go to the next one. The next one is, I might do in this video in 2 or 3 parts, because I have many, so each of them should run 15 minutes. As I said, I have so many in there, so I don't think I can do it in one video. Okay, so the next one is Ferrari Vetiver Essence. Ferrari Vetiver Essence. Let's see how this one does. So as you know, I'm a big fan of Essence line from Ferrari, or the pure line, Essence line. This line is very good value for money. They make very good perfumes for such a low price. Okay, so how is this one compared to other ones? The presentation on these ones are fantastic. Again, for the money you pay, the presentation is very good. Look at that beautiful bottle. This one is a grey one, and as always the cap is very heavy metal, and it's got the logo of Ferrari on it. And let's see how is the atomizer. Yeah, atomizer is good as well. This line, as I said, the presentation, the atomizers and the perfumery is top notch for the price, obviously. Okay, so how does it smell? Wow, beautiful. Yeah, Vetiver. So if you like Vetiver, this is a no-brainer. Very gorgeous. So this is a medium Vetiver. It's not a earthy, dirty, or it's not a fresh one. Okay, so this is bang in the middle. A little bit reminds me a little bit of Terre de Hermes. but overall it's gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Very, very happy with the Ferrari Essence Vetiver. Okay, my goodness, very beautiful. Okay, let's go next. And the next one is this one from the house of Jean Paul Depot, and this one called Leonards or Leonards. Okay, so this is the box. Let's see how is the bottle. Again, this is a very underrated house of Jean Paul Depot. They make very, very good perfumes, very good quality. The quality of perfumery is very, very good, and they are very, very cheap and reasonable. Okay, so if you like, basically they make mostly classics perfumes. So let's see how is this one. So as you can see, the bottle is nice, it's classic again, plasticky, that's quite nice. Alright, let's see the atomizer. The atomizer on this, here we go. Yeah, the atomizer is perfect again, very, very good atomizer. As I said, this house makes very good quality perfume, very long lasting, quite natural smelling, and very, very, very good price. Okay, wow, 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 this is no exception. Very, very classic, beautiful, spicy, woody, unbelievable, very, very nice. It reminds you of 80s and 70s perfumes, but for the money you pay, unbelievable. Beautiful, beautiful, very manly, very gentleman-like, very it reminds you, as I said, the 70s and 80s perfumes and aftershaves. But overall it's gorgeous. It's florals as well, so spicy, floral and woody. It's a lot of citruses as well, but overall it's gorgeous. Okay, so that was Leonards by Jean Paul Depot. I will leave the names in the description below, so if you want to do your research you can do that. Okay, so oh my goodness, gorgeous. If you like classics, this is gorgeous, beautiful. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one is this one, English Blazer. This is a very classic English house, and this one is called Commando. So Commando for English Blazer. Again, they make very, very cheap fragrances, and the quality usually is quite good, and they are quite well known in terms of aftershaves and classics, gentleman-like fragrances. So as you can see, the box is quite nice. As it says, Commando is like a camouflage. And let's see the bottle. Oh my goodness, the bottle is very nice. Look at this. The bottle is green, which I like. I love green bottles, green juice, anything that is green, I love them. And this one is no exception. The cap is nice and heavy, it's plastic. And let's see the atomizer. The atomizer on this should be good. Yeah, the atomizer is perfect. So how does it smell? English Blazer Commando. Wow, fresh, woody, green, citrusy, very nice. Again, quite classic, reminds you of 80s and 90s perfumes and aftershaves, but overall is beautiful for a very, very cheap price. This one is very cheap. Okay, that was brilliant. So let's go to the next one. The next one is, okay, this one is Yardley. Again, this house is an old English house. They make very good perfumes, quite classics, gentlemen, aftershavey, and they're very, very cheap. Again, they make a very good fragrances, very good quality for what you pay. Okay, and as you see, the bottle is quite nice. Again, green bottle, and the cap is quite not heavy, but it's plastic, it's not bad. And this one's called Yardley London Gentleman Urban. Okay, and let's see how is the smell. atomizer is quite good. Again, very inexpensive. Wow, again, classic gentleman, basically aftershavey. Yep, it's quite green, tobacco, herbal, but overall it's beautiful. Very nice for the price. Goodness me. Okay, let's go next. Next one is, okay, this is quite well known, and this one is Chrome Pure, Chrome by Azzaro. This is the pure one, which is came out last year, and I heard good things about this one, so let's see how it is. Yeah, so the presentation on chromes are always good. So this is a white bottle, the same as other chromes, and the cap is plastic, it's nothing amazing. And let's see the atomizer. Atomizer should be good. Yeah, the atomizer is perfect as always. Azzaro makes very good atomizers. And the smell, nice, beautiful. Wow, gorgeous. White florals, woody. Wow, it's not, I can smell a little bit of the original Azzaro Chrome, but this one is quite different. Wow, beautiful, very good. I like it. I like it more than the original. Very good. I like it. Okay, so these are the first impressions. Let me know if you like me to basically review any of these in the next video, and I'll see what I can do. Okay, so let's go to one more and then we conclude this video, because as I said, I have so many. Okay, so one more. Let's go to, okay, again, this is quite famous. This is Dunhill Costume. Okay, Dunhill Costume, again, an old English house. They make very good perfumes for what you pay. Again, it's a bargain. You can always find them very, very cheaply discounted. And look at this. Wow, beautiful bottle. The bottle is gorgeous. Look at that. Gorgeous bottle, gorgeous juice. And the cap is quite heavy. And let's see the atomizer. Attention to details. Wow, beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous. Attention to details is amazing on this. And for the money I paid, unbelievable. Alright. Yep, very good atomizer. So, how is this? Wow, beautiful, gorgeous. Yeah, very good. Again, apple, little bit fruitiness, woody. This one is very woody. Woody. Basically, most of the things you smell is woods. But very good quality. Wow, again, quite gentleman-like, quite a little bit on the classic side. Okay, very good. I'm very happy with this one as well. Okay, thank you very much for watching. As I said, this was the part 1. I'll put more, maybe 1 or 2 more, because I don't want videos to be very, very long, each of them around 15 minutes. And I see you in the next episode. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you have any question, put it down there, and I see you later. Bye.